Matthew 23 verse 11. But he that is greatest among you shall be your servant. It's a message of the Lord for you today, that He wants you to be humble as always, and He doesn't want you to keep on bragging. He doesn't want you to be proud as always. He wants you to be humble and kind and meek as always. And He doesn't want you to depart from His words. He wants you to do His words and act upon it. And He doesn't want you to stay without doing anything in His words. He wants you to act in His words, ponder it in your heart, and do it and fulfill His words in your life. Thanks for watching my video. God bless you all.